Why do I need to pay for a brake inspection? Here's the thing. When you call in and you say, I need a price on brakes. As a shop, what we're thinking is, what do you need? Why do you need it? Is your car already at a shop right now? And why isn't it already getting done? Some questions that we ask, just so that way you're prepared, is it going to be front or rear brakes? Do you need pads, rotors, calipers? What is the situation? What are you experiencing? For example, we did just have a European vehicle come in. It had already been inspected by another shop, but he did want a second opinion, with that being, does it actually need these parts? He did ask for a price on the phone, but we feel in order to provide the best service possible to our clients, we need to get to know the situation and have our technician do an inspection on it so that we can trust what we are replacing and we're not wasting money on your vehicle. So the shop had quoted pads and rotors. That is your typical brake repair. For his vehicle, there are 3 different rotor options. So there's no way we could have given him an accurate price on the phone. And then also, when it did come in and we did the inspection, it ended up having uneven wear in the pads, and there was a caliper issue. If we would have just replaced the pads and rotors, he would have needed pads and rotors again in a month or 2 because the calipers were failing, and he could have had even a bigger problem with his brakes while driving. Our main concern is your safety, and that is the reason why we do an inspection. And yes, there is a cost for it, but it is worth it to invest in that inspection as opposed to just throwing parts at the car. Every shop has their own process, and that is our process, and we stick to it. Give us a call at Wayside Garage at 831-899-2425 if you have any questions about pricing or would like us to inspect anything on your vehicle.